luxurious gated Saddlebrook Resort. Executive pool home overlooking the 13th fairway. On nearly half an acre, this amazing open floor plan is perfect for entertaining and family gatherings. The huge kitchen overlooks the expansive living room featuring 20-feet ceilings and a large wood-burning fireplace. Spacious master bedroom with golf course and pool views, features a massive master bath, 2 large his and hers closets as well as a private office. Each bedroom has a private full bath. Beautiful views of the pool and golf course throughout the entire home. Air-conditioned Florida room with separate kitchen and wet bar, screened-in lanai with large pool and spa with tons of privacy. New roof, exterior and interior paint. 2019, resort has over 500 acres, 2 championship golf courses, world-class tennis facility including 45 tennis courts, beautiful day spa.